at an elevation. Okay, so we've got a long hill here. Okay, and we got this car, and it's going some speed here when it's at an elevation of 5. Right, so we don't know what that speed is, right? And then the elevation here is, let's see, whoosh. This is, we'll say that's 5.5 meters, right? Right, and then it stops at an elevation of 12 meters. So let's just draw a picture of this. There we go, right? Okay, it stops when it reaches an elevation of 12 meters, right? Okay, so I think here it's moving and it has potential energy, and then at the end it stops, so it has only potential energy. So this is a 2-to-1. Now, I'll give you this clue. Because it's the third question on the assessment, it's always a 2-to-1 or a 1-to-2. But this is my picture, and I think a picture really helps. Okay, so here it's moving, right? So it's got 1/2 mv squared. And it's 5.5 meters above the ground, right? So plus mgh, right? And then at the end there, it's not moving because it stopped, right? At 12 meters, so it's just mgh. Okay? So let's solve this one. Let's put in numbers, right? So 1/2 1340 times v squared, and we don't know what that is, right? Plus 1340. By the way, you could divide, this thing would be easier if we just divide every term by 1340. 9.8 times 5.5. And then that equals 1340 times, I'm doing this side here, right, times 9.8 times 12. Okay? So let me do the right side, 1340 times 9.8 times 12. My, that's a large number, 157,584. Let's now do this side, 1340 times 9.8 times 5.5. And that's 72,226. And then 0.5 times 1340, 670. Okay, so now my next step is to go this minus this, right? So I'm going to go that minus that. And I get 85,358 equals 670 v squared. I flipped the sides. I don't know why I did that. Okay, and then the next thing I'll do is I'll divide by 670, both sides by 670, right? Divide by 670. And I get 127.4, right, equals v squared. And now I can square root that and raise to the 0.5, 11.28. Ta-da. All right, so I did this. For some reason I flipped those sideways, right? Okay, and then the last thing here is to square root this. V is the square root of 127.4.